Today we will do some salutations, Surya Namaskar. Before that we will do some yogic warm-up. For that, separate your feet. Your toes are pointed towards your front wall. तुमच्या पायाची बोटे समोरच्या भिंतीच्या दिशेला आहेत. Now hands in shoulder line, palm facing down. Make sure your hands are in shoulder line. Now twist on your left side, bend your right hand. Now twist on your right side, bend your left hand. Keep going. Right, left. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Try to twist as much as you can. छान पीळ बसला पाहिजे कमरेला. श्वासोच्छ्वास चालू. Inhale and exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. As you exhale, bring your hands down, release your legs, roll your shoulders up, back and down. Now roll your shoulders up and down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Shake your hands. Shake your legs. And release. Come at the front of your mat. Now keep your legs hip distance apart. For movement, our hip bones are wider, so it's better to keep your legs hip distance apart. It's better for balancing. Namaste Sthiti. As you inhale, bring your hands up. Stretch your fingertips upward. Try to touch your hands to your ears and then bend backward. As you exhale, forward bend. Try to keep your legs straight. Try to touch your forehead to your knees. Now take your right leg back. Ashwasanchalan. Keep your knee down, ankle flat. Inhale. Look up. Left leg back. Exhale. Plank. Tulasana. Keep your fingers flared firmly on the mat. Now go down. Ashtanga Namaskar. Hug your shoulder blades together. Hips are up. Chin is on the mat. Chest is on the mat. Knees are on the mat. Now ankle flat. Come up. Bhujangasana. Bring your torso forward. Your shoulders are away from your ears. Look up. Inhale. Now exhale. Downward facing dog. Try to keep your spine straight. Push your hands on the mat and try to bring your face between your knees. Lift your right leg up, bring it forward between your hands. Ashwasanchalan, look up. Bring your left leg forward. Bend. Forward bend here, bend your knees. Push your face between your knees and try to bring your hips towards the ceiling. As you inhale, slowly come up, hands above your head. As you exhale, bring your hands down. Deep inhale and exhale. Now let's do with other leg. Again, make sure your legs are hip distance apart. Namaste Sthiti. As you inhale, bring your hands up. Stretch your fingertips upward and then bend backward. As you exhale, bend forward. Keep your legs straight. Try to touch your forehead to your knees. Now take your left leg back. Ankle flat, knee is on the mat. Look up, inhale. Exhale, take your right leg back. Make sure your fingers are flared and firmly on the mat. Tulasana, plank pose. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go down, Satvik Namaskar. Chin in. Keep your chin, chest, knees on the mat. Hips are up. Hug your shoulder blades together. Ankle flat, come up. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Look up. Again, shoulders are away from your ears. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your left leg up, bring it forward between your hands. Look up, Ashwa Sanchalan. Inhale. Right leg forward, forward bend. Bend your knees here and bend forward. Try to push your face between your knees and pull your hips towards the ceiling. Now as you inhale, slowly come up. Hands above your head. Exhale, hands down. Again, deep inhale and exhale. Now we will do third Surya Namaskar little faster. Okay, again come at the front of your mat. Legs are hip distance apart. Namaste Sthiti. As you inhale, bring your hands up. Stretch upward. Bend backward. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, right leg back. Aswachanchala. Left leg back. Plank, flare your fingers firmly on the mat. Now go down, knee, chest, chin to the mat. Ashtanga Namaskar. Hips are up. Hug your shoulder blades together. Inhale up. Bhujangasana. Look up. Shoulders are away from your ears. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Right leg up. Bring it forward. Inhale between your hands. Left leg forward, forward bend, bend your knees, push your face between your knees, pull your hips towards the ceiling. As you inhale, bring your hands up, stretch upward and exhale, bring your hands down. Again, deep inhale and exhale. We'll do the fourth one. Namaste Sthiti. As you inhale, bring your hands up, stretch upward, bend backward. Exhale, forward bend. Left leg back, Ashwa Sanchalan. Right leg back, plank. Go down, knee, chest, chin to the mat. Hug your shoulder blades together, hips are up. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg up, bring it forward, Ashwa Sanchalan. Inhale, look up. Bring your right leg forward. Exhale, forward bend. As you inhale, slowly come up. As you exhale, bring your hands down. Again, deep inhale. And exhale out completely. Inhale. And exhale. After Surya Namaskar, let's do some yogic breathing. Come at the center of your mat, legs are hip distance apart. Namaste Sthiti. As you inhale, open your hands wide. And as you exhale, exhale through your mouth and make ha sound. Again, inhale, open wide. One more time. And that's all for today. Namaste.